Throwing spears. Oh, this is classic. This is classic. I can't believe we stumbled upon this. The dinosaur kid is out. Yo, Mr. Burley over there.
Take the whole thing. I have another chocolate one. Charlie, one?
No, I can't right now. Yep, see, arm behind the back. He got his arm chopped off. That means he got hit in the arm. This is the least intense battle I've ever seen.
Well, choreographed by Ridley Scott, that's for sure.
Who's this no-shirted kid? Oh, mini battle. Okay, well.